Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Nissan Elgrand. It has 37,202 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Elgrand is 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It comes with 3 doors. One of those is a rear sliding door and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side door. These middle seats do swivel, and these seats back here do stow away to the side, so you lay them flat down and then you click the button and they will lift up from the middle, and then you can hang them right next to the side window. It's pretty cool. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away as well. The number that you're seeing down here, 59,872, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 37,202. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.